Papaya. Just another tropical fruit? Or a secret weapon for your health? Today we're busting myths and uncovering truths about this underrated superfood. You've probably heard that it's good for digestion, but did you know it could also be your heart's best friend and your skin's secret admirer? We're about to challenge everything you thought you knew about papaya. From its impact on arthritis to its potential in fighting serious diseases, prepare to have your mind blown. But here's the kicker. There are common mistakes that could be sabotaging your papaya experience. Stick around to find out what they are and how to avoid them. Plus, a surprising tip that will make you see papaya in a whole new light. Heart health. Papaya's cardiovascular prowess. Papaya stands out as a formidable ally in the fight against heart disease. This tropical fruit is a rich source of fiber, potassium, and antioxidants, creating a powerful trifecta for cardiovascular health. The fiber content aids in reducing bad cholesterol levels, while potassium plays a crucial role in maintaining balanced blood pressure. Perhaps most intriguingly, papaya contains folate, a B-complex vitamin that has been shown to reduce levels of homocysteine, an amino acid linked to increased risk of heart disease. The cardiovascular benefits of papaya extend beyond these primary nutrients. Its antioxidant properties help combat oxidative stress, a key factor in the development of heart disease. Regular consumption of papaya may contribute to improved heart function and reduced risk of cardiovascular events. Nature's balancing act. For those struggling with hypertension, papaya offers a natural solution. The fruit's high potassium content acts as a natural regulator, effectively balancing sodium levels in the body. This balance is crucial for maintaining healthy blood pressure levels. Imagine your blood vessels as busy highways. Papaya helps ensure smooth traffic flow, reducing strain on your cardiovascular system and keeping your blood pressure in check. Moreover, the antioxidants in papaya, particularly lycopene, have been associated with reduced risk of hypertension. These compounds work synergistically to protect blood vessels from damage and improve their elasticity, further contributing to optimal blood pressure levels. Fortifying your body's defenses. In today's health-conscious world, a robust immune system is more crucial than ever. Papaya emerges as a potent immune booster, packed with vitamin C and an array of antioxidants. These nutrients act like a boot camp for your body's defenses, strengthening your immune response and helping ward off infections. The immune-boosting properties of papaya are particularly beneficial for older adults, whose immune systems may need extra support. The fruit's high vitamin A content also plays a vital role in maintaining the health of mucosal surfaces, which are the body's first line of defense against pathogens. Nature's beauty elixir. Papaya is not just a treat for your taste buds, it's also a boon for your skin. Rich in vitamins A and C, beta-carotene, and other antioxidants, papaya is nature's answer to youthful, glowing skin. These nutrients work in concert to combat signs of aging, promote cell renewal, and maintain skin hydration and radiance. The enzyme papain, found in papaya, acts as a natural exfoliant, gently removing dead skin cells and promoting a brighter complexion. Additionally, the fruit's high water content helps keep the skin hydrated, while its antioxidants protect against damage from free radicals and environmental stressors. As actress Gwyneth Paltrow once shared, "I love using natural ingredients like papaya in my skincare routine." Combating inflammation naturally. For those battling arthritis, papaya offers a ray of hope. Its potent anti-inflammatory compounds, including vitamin C and a host of antioxidants, can help reduce joint inflammation and provide much-needed relief. But the benefits don't stop there. Papaya's enzymes aid in protein digestion, potentially further reducing inflammation throughout the body. The chondroprotective properties of papaya may also help slow down the degradation of cartilage, a common issue in arthritis. Regular consumption of papaya could complement traditional arthritis treatments, potentially improving daily comfort and mobility for those affected by this condition. Digestive health. A gut-friendly superfruit. Digestive issues can be a thing of the past with papaya in your diet. The papain enzyme found in this fruit is a digestive powerhouse, efficiently breaking down proteins and easing the digestive process. It's like having a personal assistant for your gut, helping to prevent constipation and maintain a healthy gut flora. Beyond its enzymatic benefits, papaya's high fiber content promotes regular bowel movements and supports the growth of beneficial gut bacteria. This can lead to improved nutrient absorption, reduced bloating, and overall better digestive health. As nutritionist Kimberly Snyder notes, papaya is one of the best foods for digestion and a flat tummy. Weight management. Papaya's slimming secret. For those on a weight loss journey, papaya could be a game changer. Low in calories but high in fiber, it helps you feel full without overindulging. It's nature's appetite suppressant, helping to control hunger and stabilize blood sugar levels. The fruit's low glycemic index means it doesn't cause rapid spikes in blood sugar, making it an excellent choice for weight management and diabetes prevention. Its high water content also contributes to a feeling of fullness, potentially reducing overall calorie intake. Vision protection. Safeguarding your eyesight. Papaya is a vision protector, guarding against night blindness and age-related macular degeneration. Rich in vitamin A, lutein, and zeaxanthin, it acts like a pair of natural sunglasses, shielding your eyes from harmful blue light and free radicals. These nutrients accumulate in the retina, forming a protective layer that filters out harmful light and protects the delicate structures of the eye. Regular consumption of papaya may contribute to long-term eye health and potentially reduce the risk of cataracts and other age-related eye conditions. While papaya offers numerous health benefits, it's essential to consume it wisely to maximize its advantages while staying safe. Allergies and interactions. Some individuals may be allergic to papaya, especially those with latex allergies. If you're trying papaya for the first time, start with a small amount and watch for any adverse reactions. Additionally, papaya may interact with certain medications, particularly blood thinners, due to its high vitamin K content. Always consult with your healthcare provider before making significant changes to your diet, especially if you're on medication. Pregnancy precautions. Pregnant women should exercise caution with unripe papaya, as it contains latex, which may stimulate contractions. However, ripe papaya is generally considered safe and can provide essential nutrients during pregnancy. To reap the maximum benefits of papaya, consider these tips. Eat it ripe. Ripe papayas are not only sweeter but also have higher nutrient content. Combine with other foods. Pairing papaya with foods rich in healthy fats can enhance the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins. Don't overdo it. While papaya is healthy, moderation is key. Aim for 1 to 2 servings per day. Creative ways to enjoy papaya. Incorporating papaya into your diet can be both delicious and nutritious. Here are some creative ideas. Papaya. Breakfast bowl. Top half a papaya with Greek yogurt, granola, and a drizzle of honey for a nutrient-packed start to your day. Tropical smoothie. Blend papaya with coconut water, spinach, and a squeeze of lime for a refreshing green smoothie. Papaya salsa. Dice papaya and mix with red onion, cilantro, and jalapeno for a sweet and spicy topping for grilled fish or chicken. Papaya. Face mask. Mash ripe papaya and apply it to your face for 15 minutes for a natural, enzyme-rich skin treatment. Grilled papaya dessert. Grill papaya slices and serve with a scoop of vanilla ice cream for a healthier dessert option. The papaya seed. Secret: don't discard those papaya seeds. They're packed with anti-parasitic and antioxidant properties. Try grinding them and adding them to smoothies or salads for an extra health boost. It's like unlocking a secret level of nutrition you never knew existed. Papaya stands out as a true superfruit, offering a wide array of health benefits that can positively impact various aspects of our well-being. From supporting heart health and boosting immunity to enhancing skin radiance and aiding digestion, papaya proves to be a versatile addition to a healthy lifestyle. As we've explored, the benefits of papaya extend far beyond its delicious taste. Its unique combination of vitamins, minerals, enzymes, and antioxidants makes it a powerful ally in maintaining overall health and preventing various diseases. Whether you're looking to improve your cardiovascular health, boost your immune system, or simply add more nutrients to your diet, papaya offers a natural and delicious solution. Remember, while papaya is incredibly beneficial, it's not a magic cure-all. Always consult with your healthcare provider before making significant changes to your diet, especially if you're on medication or have existing health conditions. By incorporating papaya into a balanced diet and healthy lifestyle, you can harness its full potential and enjoy its myriad health benefits. As we continue to uncover the secrets of natural health, papaya stands as a shining example of nature's power to nourish and heal. Embrace this tropical superfruit and let it revolutionize your approach to health and wellness.